2019 Ford Transit Passenger Wagon. This van carries passengers comfortably and safely. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, rain sensing wipers, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, front bucket seats, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, cruise control, power side view mirrors. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.